Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing way to create stunning visualizations from your Excel data in seconds using GPT. No design skills? No problem. Let's dive in. Now let us see how to create professional visualizations instantly from data present in Excel files and CSV files. You must be wondering that it usually takes hours to do so, but not anymore. Here is our dataset. The dataset is about sales and profit of an e-commerce company. It has 500 rows and 16 columns, including order details like item, employee, state, city, quantity category, subcategory, sale, profit, and target. We will once again click on Explore GPTs and look for Data Visualizer. Let us select this one and click on Start Chat. As seen on your screen, there are a couple of prompt templates available for quick evaluation. However, we will provide our customized prompt. Now let us upload our dataset. Now let us write our prompt, which reads, "Provide me a visualization of the attached dataset," and click here. The dataset is getting analyzed. The output first provides the overall insights of the dataset and offers options to create visualizations based on the insights. We are considering profitability by state or category as an example. We paste it here and provide it as a prompt and wait for the results. Here we go with instant visualizations along with their explanation. As seen on your screen, the outcome is providing options to further explore the above insights or create more visualizations. You may go ahead with further exploration. We are moving ahead with Explore More Visualizations as an example for you so that we can show the varieties. Next, we are asking the GPT to show us all the options for visualizations. And here we go with more varieties of visualizations along with their explanations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what kind of data you'd like to visualize next. You can also join our Udemy course for more such exciting generative AI features, the link for which is in the description box. I will see you in the next video.